Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sneak into the VIP room in Dress to Impress. So if you want to access the exclusive VIP room in GTI without spending a dime, in this tutorial I'll show you some clever tricks to sneak into the VIP room and experience the luxury for free. So what you need to do in here on the lobby, you can just go straight to the catwalk room and then go out like this and turn right, and in here you'll see this tree. You can just climb it up. So climb up to the tree, and once you already on the top, you can go straight, jump again to the roof. Okay, just jump from here, and once you are in the top here, you can just go walk to the left here, go straight, and then once you see this, you can just turn left from here. Okay, now turn left and go straight again. Okay, still going straight until you pass this, I don't know what it's called, but this walls right here. Okay, until you see this walls right here, you can go in between these walls and you'll see the love icon. You can just click on that, and just like that, you already on the VIP room in DTI. So you can just jump out of the dressing room, and here is the VIP room. You can explore from here and see which outfits that you can try. So not all of the outfits you can try or you can put on. Some still needs to be bought, or you need to pay for it with Robux. Of course, you can buy Robux and item, but you can always explore and see the free items that you can put on, like this one right here on the center one. You can click on it. Okay, let's try another one here. I think I'm going to put this one, the pink outfits here. Okay, as you guys can see here, I can put it on, and let's try another one. I'm going to remove this first. Okay, you can also use this bow right here to maybe to become a cupid. Let's erase them now, and let's try this black and red outfit. Okay, I can put it on also. So you can just search for the items that you can try from here. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.